Good morning. This is Director Trade Stalkers. It's December 11th, about 7:50 this morning. Looks like we had some overseas bad news just about everywhere last night. So we take a look at the open. Looks like we opened somewhere around the 50-50 area. Just kind of moved up a little bit into our red zones here and just consolidated sideways until around 2:30. A little bit of bad news from overseas. Pulled down into these zones right away, crossing below the 24-hour VWAP. Tested this zone, little like a double bottom here, mini double bottom, right up into the zone and the 24-hour VWAP, where we got even more bad news from several places over global economy news, I should say, from overseas that affected everything. And here we go all the way down and just went straight through zones here at the 46.44 all the way down to the zones 37.25 area. And then we pushed all the way down to 32 where we got a retrace into this zone. This would have been a perfect time if you missed some kind of entry overnight to jump back in and take a little bit of profits here this morning. Had a small double bottom here at 20.29.75 area, and the market is kind of pushing back up. I don't see any significant news to drive that just yet. I think we just the bottom market just kind of bottomed out overnight. We need to be real cautious going into the 8:30 open Central Standard Time. So let's take a look at what for today. If this market breaks this zone, it'll probably continue all the way back up to this 2040.75 area, and then we're going to probably get a retrace back to the 37.50 area, somewhere around there. But if it fails, let me back up here a second. If it fails right here, then we're likely to go down to the 26 area and then possibly take it on down to further zones today until the 2018, and possibly if things get really out of hand today, we're going to be down testing this 21,050 to 2,000 level. So be real cautious today. It is Friday. A lot of weird things happen on Friday, so just be real cautious. Now, if this does continue and we get to this 24-hour VWAP, we said we could retest here and then go back up. Wait for a close above this 24-hour VWAP. We have to go up, back down, retest it. And at this retest right down in here or wherever the 24-hour VWAP is, there's the opportunity to go long. And then let this go up to the next zone, possibly retest this low area at 45.75, and then we'll push on up into this red zone at 51.50, and we're going to get some retest and some consolidation in this area between the 51 and 48 area, possibly down into this zone again at 47.75. Again, this is Friday's been a volatile week, and we could just see more of it today. If we can get a retest of this and the market wants to go back up, then we're probably going up to 55, probably in this area, which is our 55.75. Actually looks like 56.25 overnight highs. And I didn't mention it, but the overnight low was 28.75. If we can clear this 56 area, this red line, we're looking to go up, retest this next zone, running even more resistance up here. So be cautious. Expect to take profits up here, and maybe leave a runner on. Wait for the market to pull back and bounce off here again, and then go up higher. Overall, today we're looking for probably a high of 2070 if the market wants to turn around and be real aggressive to the high side. Like I said, be cautious today. If you have any questions, contact me through www.tradestalkers.com. This is Frank again. Have a great day.